Driving an EV is a revelation. Instant torque means you leap off the line. No waiting, just go. Even family EVs feel quick and agile in city traffic. The silence is striking. No engine noise, just a calm, refined ride. It's less tiring, more relaxing, and you can actually enjoy your music or conversation. The low battery placement gives EVs a planted, nimble feel in corners. Handling is sharp, confidence inspiring, and fun. No gears to shift, just smooth, uninterrupted acceleration. Regenerative braking lets you drive with one pedal, making stop-and-go traffic a breeze. It's a modern, intuitive way to drive. Once you try it, it's hard to go back. EVs aren't just green, they're genuinely exciting. The future of driving feels fantastic. Of course, there are challenges. Charging on long trips can be tricky. Public chargers aren't everywhere yet. Range anxiety is real, even if most daily drives are well within an EV's limits. Batteries are expensive, though prices are falling and warranties are long. People worry about battery life, but real-world data shows they last longer than many expect. Mining for battery materials raises environmental and ethical questions. The industry is working on better batteries and recycling solutions. The road isn't bump-free, but progress is rapid. Innovation is tackling every EV challenge head-on. Ultra-rapid chargers now add hundreds of miles in minutes. Long trips are getting easier. Battery breakthroughs like solid-state tech promise more range, faster charging, and lower costs. Battery prices have dropped nearly 90% in a decade. Smart software plans your route, finds chargers, and preps your battery for fast charging. Manufacturing advances are making EVs cheaper to build. Soon, EVs will cost the same as petrol cars. No subsidies needed. The tipping point for mass adoption is near. Every year, EVs get better, cheaper, and smarter. The pace of change is breathtaking. The future is arriving faster than anyone expected.